Tips and tricks for a successful affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is the process where a revenue sharing plan is implemented online using an automated marketing program which lets webmasters place an advertiser's ads or links on their website. This video can help you understand this simple, yet also complex method of marketing and publicizing your business, product and services. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. Using more than one affiliate program to reach the same type of consumer is a terrific way to kickstart your advertising industry. You can provide your visitors a variety of places to go if they have plenty of links. When looking into an affiliate marketing program, make sure that you look into one that will be able to provide you with the most current statistics. You may have to do a little digging to find this. It is important that you know exactly what is going on within the company so that you can have the proper information as a manager within the program. As it has been explained above, affiliate marketing has many benefits as well as many ways to utilize it. There are many different ways to go about affiliate marketing and all can be quite successful. By understanding the information in this video, you can decide how affiliate marketing can work for your business. Student loan.